my channel. To my new and old subscribers, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This makeup look has been inspired by one of my old makeup looks, the way I used to do my makeup. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys want to find out how I got this beautiful blue crazy makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with foundation. I usually like to start with foundation. I am using Morphe's foundation in F220 and F260. I like to mix those two colors to get my perfect shade, so it just looks really nice. I've been enjoying this foundation a lot, and yeah, definitely check it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this with my Araceli Beauty Sponge. Then I'm going with a ColourPop concealer, and then I'm going with Morphe's concealer as well. I do like to layer up my concealers just to kind of brighten up under my eyes. I don't have any discoloration. I am so lucky that I don't. But I do like to brighten it just to kind of make it, like, you know, more pop a little bit more. So I do like to layer up my concealers. I am going to blend this out with the same sponge just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended.
What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame.
I do apply one concealer at a time. I usually feel like if I do apply both at the same time, it gets cakey, and then I kind of feel like it's a hot mess and it's too thick, and I just don't like it. So I prefer to kind of just do one concealer at a time. Here I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder just to set under the eyes wherever I concealed. I like to apply it with a beauty sponge. Then the rest of my face, I do go ahead and use a brush. I usually use the Morphe brush. It is the Morphe E58. I have no idea if they still sell this, but it's one of my favorite brushes that I use to apply it, powder all over my face. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the Laura Mercier setting powder all over my face. This is a translucent powder, so I will not get any flashback or anything like that. It's going to keep my foundation from moving and keeping me matte all day. So I just want to make sure everything's really nice and blended, you guys, because if not, it's going to look a little Alright, moving on. After I make sure that everything is really nice and blended and everything is set and I didn't miss a spot, I like to go with my bronzer. I am using the Buxom bronzer. I'll list all the products that I use in the bottom bar for you guys. I tried not to do that in my last video because of controversy that's going on, but a lot of you guys were like, we would love to see what you're using. So I don't know. I'm conflicted in, you know, if I should post or not. And these videos I had already recorded, so I was like, should I just delete it or what should I do? But I just want to keep you guys happy. Let me know what you guys think. I am showing you guys what I'm using here, even though everything that's going on right now. If you don't know, because a lot of people were asking me after I posted on my Snapchat, then I had to take my post down because I felt like people were just going to like take it wrong. You guys have to look it up. Go on Twitter. I don't know, YouTube. I don't know if you guys can find it anywhere, but honestly, I do not want to be in drama, so I just rather, like, you know, whatever, lay low. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use my blush. I am using Too Faced blush. This one is my melons, if you like my melons, something like that. I'll list it down below for you guys, like I always do. And if I don't, let me know, and I'll update it because I usually forget because I'm in a hurry to upload the video. So I just want to make sure everything's really nice and blended, so I do take my time and, you know, I blend and then I apply it and then I blend. I like it to look harsh because when I blend everything out, it looks amazing. Alright, for highlighter, I am using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. You can definitely use prettygrace for some money off Ofra Cosmetics. I am going to start using more Ofra Cosmetics products. I do have a few looks that I want to come out, I want to do with some of these palettes that I got from them. So stay in the lookout for them because it's going to be fire. So I just wanted to make sure that my highlighter is on fleek. I know you guys are going to say this is too much highlighter. People, this is how I like my highlighter. You can definitely tone it down. I just like it to pop because when I take my pictures, I like my highlighter to pop. Alright, onto the eye look. I'm going to prime my eye with concealer. This is a Too Faced concealer. It's a lighter shade. I'm actually using the color Snow. It's a lot lighter than I would use for my face, but it works great as an eyeshadow base. So I'm going to use my old tape method to make that sharp line. After putting the powder and then putting the tape on top, the tape would not stay, so I had to hold it the whole time. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. I'm going to be using that blue shadow, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease. The tape is just going to help us create that sharp edge from the outer corner that I'm looking for. It's achievable without tape, but this just helps it to be a little bit more sharper. So I'm just going to be applying that blue color into my crease. It doesn't have to be clean because we're going to go ahead and apply another color, and then we're going to cut the crease. So as you can see, I took tape off just so you guys can see. It doesn't have to be perfect. Always clean it up. So yeah, and I am using Jacklynhill brushes, so you can definitely use prettygrace for some money off if you guys want to use my discount code. You know, I'm just going to throw it out there. So I'm just going back and forth. Then I'm going to go with this lighter blue, and I'm going to apply this on the top just to kind of blend the crease out. Alright, to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the same concealer, and I am using a Morphe brush. I believe the Morphe brush that I'm using is the M210 brush, just to help me cut the crease. It's like a little small brush, and I feel like this one is great to just cut the crease. So I'm using the concealer from Too Faced in Snow just to help me carve it out and see where I want to place my shadows. So you do want to take your time with this. This one is not a really high up cut crease. So then I'm going with the Jacklynhill palette and applying that light blue turquoise color and applying this right in the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm going back with the James Charles palette using that white shadow, and I'm going to apply this right into the inner corner of the eyes. I could have used my milk pencil. I don't know why I want to say milk makeup pencil. I could have used that to brighten up the white, but I don't know. I didn't feel like I wanted to do that. I don't know. So I'm just going back and retouching anything that needs to be retouched. I feel like I was losing the dark blue from the crease, so I went ahead and just retouched it a little bit just to make it a little bit more brighter. Then I'm going back with the James Charles palette again with the white and applying this right onto my brow bone. I remember back in the day when I used to do my dramatic makeups, white on the brow bone was always the thing I did. It was always the thing. So I was like, oh my god, feels like the old times. Alright, so I'm going to go with the Jacklynhill palette and using the shimmery light turquoise color, and I'm going to apply this in the bottom lash line. Then I'm going with a darker blue, as you guys can see on this one right here, and then just apply it in the outer corner. Then I'm going with my Jumbo Milk pencil and applying this on my waterline, and I'm just applying some mascara to apply my lashes. Sorry, it's a little quick, but I was taking a little too long, and I'm like, you know what, I need to fast forward this because it's taking a little too long for my liking. So I'm just applying the turquoise color again in the inner corner, applying my lashes from Bold Face Makeup in Larger Than Life. They are really big lashes. I really like them. Spraying some setting spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and retouch my highlight a little bit because I felt like I was missing it since I applied some setting powder for the fallout. Yeah. And just applying a little bit more highlight just to make my whole look pop. Alright, for lips I'm going with Kat Von D and Jeffree Star. Oh my god. I didn't realize it until like when I was looking back at the footage that I was like, girl, you're mixing companies here. But anyways, I really like the lip combo. So I'll list the names in the bottom bar for you guys because I don't even know where I put them. But yeah, so I just applied Kat Von D first and then Jeffree Star, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm actually going to be trying to involve more companies in my videos, so wish me luck. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Se me cuidan. Bye.
One who loved me for who I can't go back to.